this is Michelle with Pink and Maine, and today I am super excited to share with you the contents of our June 2020 Crafty Courtyard kit. This month, the theme is Ocean Waves, and here's the postcard. We've got this adorable octopus. She's got some flowers. It says, "You've been occupying my mind." You can see our colors here. We have a list on the back of what's included in the kit and a little bit about the kit, just a note from me. You're going to get 4 white A2 size envelopes. We're giving you a half sheet of our Sparkle Sheets glitter cardstock in this really pretty teal. This color is called Lakeside, if you need extra from our website. Now we'll go over the cardstock colors. We have got 6 gorgeous colors this month. We've got a pink, a lime green, a sandy brown craft color cardstock, this really nice peach, a teal, and a lighter teal that has polka dot texture, which I really like. That adds a lot of dimension to your projects when you use that. And you get 2 sheets of our 110-pound ice rink white cardstock. So now we'll get a little bit further into the contents of the kit. You're going to get 2 rolls of glitter tape, and one is pink and one is teal. You're going to get your 1-inch flare button. We haven't made the buttons yet. We make them all in-house. So I grabbed this little piece before they made it, but it's got a cute little crab on there. Our sequin mix this month is just these really gorgeous, sparkly confetti style sequins. And I just thought they were perfect for this kit. They look like water bubbles, or they'd be perfect accents for like an ocean theme projects. We have some enamel dots in all the colors of the kit. We also have 5 ribbons, all matching with the colors of the kit. I create these kits so that you literally can pull them out and everything coordinates and matches together. You don't have to worry about anything standing out or what do I put this with. Everything coordinates and matches. So all of that questioning is taken away. I'm just gathering up the paper pack here. You get a full 6x6 paper pack. That's 24 sheets of pattern papers that are printed on nice heavyweight cardstock. They're double-sided, and I love to give you tons of patterns. When I look to pattern papers, I like to have a lot of choices. I love to have choices to put together, things that to use on their own, but everything matches and coordinates again. And you get lots of choices here. So you're going to get 2 of each pattern because we've got 24 sheets and they're double-sided. So let's go through the sheets so that you can see what they are. Here we've got these adorable patterns here with the lighthouses, the little crabs, some seagulls. We've got a wavy pattern. Here's that little crab again. Isn't he cute? We have some anchors in this teal and pink. We have a colorful wave. Here we have some pink, bold pink stripes. Here's a nice sheet with some seashells. And here is really pretty ocean waves. We've got some sailboats here. Some more anchors, this time in teal and that lime green. We have a sheet full of lighthouses. And we have a teal polka dot. I love my polka dots. Here's a sheet with some fun clouds, and you can see the little seagulls. So this would make a really pretty background, like the sky with some seagulls and clouds. We have some more anchors just in teal on white. We have a really nice plaid using all the colors of the kit. We have a tan polka dot. We have some more beach waves. This time this is a lighter teal than the other one before. We have some pink and white polka dots. We have a nice colorful stripe. Here we have the another wave sheet, but this one is the light teal on the dark teal. So instead of white on the blues, we've got the two blues together. Here's a sheet with that adorable octopus again, holding the daisies. We have a lime green polka dot. Here, this is really fun. I like to use these strips. You can use them all together on a card, or you could cut them apart and use different parts of them. But we got lighthouses, the little crab, octopus, some anchors, sailboats, and some cute little seagulls. And then we have that peach color with the white polka dots. So there you can see you've got tons and tons of paper choices, and you can make lots and lots of cards with these. We have our exclusive stencil, and it's a wave pattern. And you can watch for the video where I make some cards with this kit, and I will definitely use that stencil and show you how it looks. And here we have our exclusive stamp set. This is a 6x6 stamp set for the June kit. And it has these nice vignettes of scenery that you can place on your card and color in real simply. It's some lighthouse scenes we've got homes on the rocks here with a sailboat. We've got some seashells. We have a lighthouse here with a home, some trees, and you've got the clouds. We have an anchor. We have a sun and a moon. We thought you could create day or nighttime scenes, which would be really fun. And we've got this adorable octopus. You can make some really cute cards with her. And we've got a little crab down here. And we've got two really nice sentiments to go along with the set. You've been occupying my mind. Sometimes all you need is a good dose of vitamin C. I just think that's a really nice stamp set. And remember, it's exclusive to the kit, so you can't get this outside of our kit this month. And last but not least, we have an exclusive die. I did not bring the die home. I have it at our shop. It's being packaged up in the kits. So it's this really intricate, delicate thinking of you die in the script font, and it will have a shadow that will cut out to go behind it. So you can use it by itself, or you can use it with its shadow. So I just really like that thin, intricate script font. So I hope you've enjoyed taking a look with me today at our June 2020 Crafty Courtyard kit, themed Ocean Waves. This is the perfect card making kit for the summer. I know you'll have a lot of fun making some summer themed cards and other projects with this. So head on over to pinkandmain.com to grab yours today while you can. And until next time, keep living the creative life.